Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic: water pollution.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Please show your support to this channel. Our today's topic is on water pollution. Water is one of the most important elements in existence. It is necessary for all human beings to survive. Water contamination have become a major environmental hazard to humans' survival. Natural and artificial activity both degrade water. Water contamination has a wide range of consequences for humans and other living things. Water is a necessary natural ingredient for humanity to thrive on this planet. Water makes up 60% of our body weight. The term water pollution and contaminations are synonyms. The presence of pollutant and dangerous component in the water is referred to as turbidity. The contaminated water is unsafe to drink and is detrimental to all living things, including animals, birds, and humans. Water pollution is a source of a variety of fatal diseases that inflict harm, disease, and even the existence of human civilization. Water contamination wreaks havoc on the environment on all of its continents. For our survival, we require clean water and it is our job to conserve it. Water is essential for man's survival. It's impossible to imagine life without water. Water is an essential element that cannot be substituted with any other. Water contamination is a crucial environmental issue that has had serious consequences all around the world. Contaminants such as agriculture and harmful industrial waste, as well as other residue, pollute water sources such as lakes, rivers, underground water, and seas. Contamination dissolved in water renders the water unsafe for human consumption. The poisonous components produced by manufacturers heat up the surrounding water as well as the environment. Chemicals, harmful substances, and microorganisms in polluted water sources, whether clean or dirty, causes illnesses in humans such as chlorella, dysentery, tuberculosis, and other stomach disorders. Contaminated water can also carry worms like roundworms and tapeworms, which can carry a variety of elements in humans. Many countries are currently experiencing water-related issues, and potable water have become a long-term commodity. In order to commercialize potable mineral water in tropical regions, many multinational corporations are taking the necessary steps. Kindly show your support by subscribing to this channel. Water pollution has evolved in a constant menace and issue on Earth, affecting all species and humans in a variety of ways. The contamination and accumulation of hazardous substances and pollutant in water caused by human activity is known as water pollution. Water pollution is a significant problem that threatens the entire planet, and in order to solve it, we must first identify the source of problem. Agriculture, industrial and urban runoff, animal waste and carcasses, leaching and landfill and other human activities are all sources of water contamination. These activities are the product of humans' desire to compete at the highest level. Tsunami, cyclone, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and other natural disasters can pollute water as well. Despite the fact that humans have little control over them, they inflict little or no damage to water when compared to human activity. Water bodies that serve as a source of drinking water for the pollution are contaminated by some careless human actions. Other activities that pollute water include bathing household animals, washing clothes, dumping animal carcasses and excrement in water bodies. To help us save water and Mother Earth, we need to restrict activities on a big scale and make radical adjustment in our behaviors. Water makes up around 70% of Earth's surface, but humans and animals only drink about 1% of it. Because humans rely on fresh water for their daily activities, we must take steps to safeguard it from pollution. Water contamination is a major environmental issue in today's society. Water contamination has increased as a result of human made activities such as intensive agriculture, urbanization, deforestation, and industrialization. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and show your support. On industrial household level, the disposal of industrial waste should be metered through the dumping of biological decomposable waste and the recycling of non-decomposable trash. India enacted the Water Act of 1974 to address the growing crisis caused by water pollution. The act aimed to prevent the regulated water contamination as well as to preserve and restore the water's quality. The prohibition of activities such as feces dumping, washing filthy clothes, and bathing household animals is a crucial step towards water conservation. Eutrophication isn't a major problem, but it can be ignored. Government officials should take the necessary precautions and conduct regular inspection to prevent and safeguard water bodies from contamination. We must save water and avoid pollution. Toxins and contaminants can be removed from water using procedures such as filtration, sedimentation, sterilization, and other scientific methods. Small efforts can be taken to preserve water, such as shutting off running tap water, which prevents water contamination and scarcity. Littering rivers, oceans, and lakes is not a good idea. One can assist in cleaning litter from beaches, lakes, and rivers and disposing of it in a nearby trash can. Pesticides and insecticides are prevented from contaminating local water sources by planting more trees and plants. By digesting harmful substances and plants, certain fishes helps to keep the water clean. Result, by taking little steps, the water remains healthy and fresh and people can use it for anything they want. What is the definition of water pollution? The presence of pollutant and dangerous component in water is referred to as water pollution. It is a source of a variety of dangerous diseases that cause harm, disease, and even the existence of human civilization. Contaminated water is unsafe to drink and is detrimental to all living things, including animals, birds, and humans. What are the effects of water contamination on humans? Water pollution contains chemical, harmful compounds and microorganisms that causes illnesses in humans, including chlorella, dysentery, tuberculosis, and other stomach ailments. It also carries worms like roundworms and tapeworms, which can cause a variety of disorders in humans. What activities pollute the water supply? Water contamination has increased as a result of human-made activities such as intensive agriculture, urbanization, deforestation, and industrialization. Tsunami, cyclone, earthquake, volcano eruption, and other natural disasters can also pollute the water. What law protects against water pollution? India enacted the Water Act of 1974 to address the mounting crisis caused by water contamination. The act aims to prevent the regulated water contamination as well as to preserve or restore the country's water quality. So keep your water safe and healthy so that you can live a safe and healthy life. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching this video.